The University of Vermont is giving nursing students the option of graduating early to join the fight against the pandemic. As Local 44's Devin Bates shows us tonight, UVM is one of the first colleges in the country to allow something like this.
All 95 of UVM's graduating nursing seniors will be getting their degree 3 weeks early, and many of them are staying here in Vermont. They'll also be getting a temporary license so they can go bring aid to healthcare workers who are working long hours during this pandemic.
When I heard that faculty and students wanted to do this and they called me and said, "Is this possible?" I said, "We will make it happen."
On May 1st, the University of Vermont's graduating class of nursing students will be entering their field ahead of schedule, rising to the occasion at a time when the healthcare system is stretched thin. Patty Prelock was the dean of UVM's College of Nursing for 10 years and said she's proud of the class of 2020's leadership.
They're realizing the importance and the difference that they can make at a time when our community really needs them and our country does. So I'm really proud of them, and I think that suggests that they really are difference makers, and I'm not surprised knowing the group that I brought in 4 years ago.
Graduates would typically study well into the summer for a July licensure exam, likely not working until August. Now they'll get a temporary permit so they can begin work almost immediately. Soon-to-be graduate Catherine Calistri was an intern at UVM Medical Center's general surgery floor, and that's where she'll start working in early May.
So we all kind of speculated that it was going to happen, but didn't know for sure until it was official. It's just such a wild time to go into the healthcare field and become a nurse and working with, these patients.
It's estimated that 200,000 nursing positions will go unfilled at hospitals across the country this year, but the estimated 150,000 nurses set to graduate could help fill the gap. In Vermont, that need was recognized, but it took quick action to see it through.
It really required everybody to cooperate, the registrar, everyone, and it was amazing. In 48 hours, people felt like this was a no-brainer because it was so important to help our community.
The early graduation does still need to pass the UVM Faculty Senate, but we're told there should be no issues with that. That vote takes place on April 20th. Students will also get the chance to take their licensure exams after the COVID-19 pandemic passes. In Burlington, Devin Bates, Local 44 News.